Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Solana. So something is happening down here. We are currently in a very important support zone here on the daily time frame. It is important to understand that a lot of people are bored, a lot of people are switching off, a lot of people are not paying attention to what's actually happening in the charts right now. But the price is, in my opinion here, in a support zone from where a reversal to the upside could start. It just cannot be confirmed yet, and we might see another low on the smaller time frame. And in a minute, I'm going to take a look at the smaller time frame where we need to pay close attention to the microstructures that help us to distinguish noise from structure. So when we're looking here at the larger time frame, we can see that the market is currently in an important Fibonacci support zone between $102 and $131. This is not a zone that is important in terms of invalidation. So if the price continues to go below it, it would not invalidate the idea of a wave 4. The price, in fact, has much more space. I think could even drop into the $60 to $70 region if it needs to. However, this is still an important pivot. This is still an area where I'm watching for reversal just because these here are important Fibonacci extension zones measured based on the length of the A wave. So the C wave down often has the same length as the A wave, and that's something that we can track with our guidelines based on our Fibonacci guidelines. So I'm watching here still for a potential reversal, and a lot of people are bearish right now. And yeah, I mean, by all means, the trend is not up yet. We're still in a downtrend. We need to understand that. That's a very important part of it. I still highlight the potential for reversal here because the wave count, the structure to the downside looks technically complete. The next rally could either be a B wave in the white scenario, which is a corrective rally, which could then lead to another move down, or it could be directly the rally to new all-time highs. So there's going to be that sweet spot where these two scenarios will move away from each other, but we're not there yet. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame for Solana. This is where, as I said, we can separate the noise from structure. And also this is where most people get shaken out if they trade something too aggressively that they shouldn't do because the price, for example, hasn't confirmed yet an upside reversal. Now, if the price holds certain levels, then this could trigger a strong move to the upside. And we'll talk about these levels right now. First of all, let's talk about the short-term bullish scenario that is highlighted here in yellow. It is not anything that I believe right now until we see a break above resistance. The resistance zone is between $129 and $133. And from a bullish point of view, the initial rally that happened between the 10th of March low, $113, between that day and the $147 level, that swing high from the 25th of March, that's only a 3-wave move up. So we don't have a confirmation for an uptrend yet. The move down is also very sharp, but it still is a potential, you could say, 1-2 setup, but it's not high confidence because if the wave 1 is only a 3-wave move, we don't really have confirmation for an uptrend. I just have it here so that we can track a bullish scenario, that we know which structure are we following if the price breaks above resistance, and $133.17 is resistance. And we can watch for higher prices. If the price breaks above resistance, only then, because as long as the market stays below that resistance zone, further downside as per the white scenario is likely. And then the next support levels are $112.40. That's the invalidation point for the yellow scenario. And then $110 and $102. So at the moment, be ready for some further downside, but watch resistance for upside breakout confirmation. So if you found this helpful, make sure that you stay connected. We're building a global community. We will also keep tracking this chart. Updates are coming as the structure unfolds. Make sure that you subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.